Top 5 Best LEGO Robot Sets. Number 5. LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox. The LEGO Boost is another STEM toy that encourages childhood interest in science, technology, engineering, and math. Unlike the EV3 model, the LEGO Boost is a fun-looking Wall-E type robot with big childlike eyes, rover tracks, and 2 gripper hands. It is styled in light blue, black, and white. First and foremost, it is a complete LEGO set. It comes with 847 pieces used to create the robot Vernie. Vernie stands over 10 inches in height. Other build options include Frankie the Cat, Guitar 4000, MIR4, and Auto Builder. Each build option includes a variety of unique programming possibilities. For instance, Frankie the Cat can be programmed to walk and MIR4 can be programmed to roll, but it also has a functional shooter. Additionally, it can be equipped with a variety of accessories and programmed to battle other bots. The Guitar 4000, of course, can be programmed to emit a variety of music and sound effects. Perhaps the most unique build option is the Auto Builder. It is unique because once it is assembled, it can be programmed to build other LEGO models. That is correct. Once equipped with the fun-looking, lovable robot named Vernie, your child will be helping build robots that build other robots. Although this toy is certainly one further step toward the destruction of all humanity, it has won numerous awards and helps spark interest in STEM subject matter. The app. A smartphone or tablet is required for programming. Pros. The auto build feature makes this creative toolbox the absolute best LEGO STEM toy available. Cons. Except for the whole end of humanity thing, this toy might be the most perfect toy ever. Coming in number 4. LEGO MINDSTORMS EV3. Unlike LEGOs of yesteryear where little blocks formed little square forts and houses, the LEGO MINDSTORMS comes with a remote control. Of course, you think, the robot is not an actual robot. It does not actually work. It is just a bunch of Legos pieced together in the shape of a robot. In that assumption, you would be wrong, very wrong. In terms of Legos, the MINDSTORMS is an engineering feat, enabling kids to build fantastic robots. For instance, the remote has forward and backward buttons to guide motion, and these robots are just that, robots. They are fully functioning robots that just happen to made of Legos. EV3 Storm. The EV3 Storm is the primary robot. It is bipedal, and its arms and legs move. It stands at just over 14 inches in height, making it a fun, significant toy. Its right hand is a triple-edge blade that spins. Its left hand is a bazooka blaster. Track 3R. The Track 3R is a wheel-based unit with an extended camera-like tracker section affixed to the vehicle's front. It has wheels wrapped in tank track, and it is powered by a rear exhaust. Grip 3R. The Grip 3R model receives its name from this build's gripper functions. Fully functioning grippers can hold tight and lift any small object. The overall look is similar to the EV3 Storm except the computer monitor is missing from the chest. R3PTAR. This snake-inspired build offers multiple moving joints, 2 gray eyes with red pupils, and tiny fangs. SPIC 3R. Inspired by a scorpion, SPIC 3R has articulating legs and a 2-pronged stinging tail. Heavy armor protects its back. In the center of the back is a LED screen. Finally, 2 forearms serve as pincers. How it works. The EV3 model achieves its versatility and power via the 5 build options and an accompanying app. Via the EV3 programming app, kids can program a variety of functions into the app. Standard functions include walking, talking, and rolling forward. However, the EV3 programming language is a versatile programming app that encourages children to program other features like lifting arms and climbing. The speech component features a variety of text-to-speech options that enable a variety of phrases. Pros. Fun decals provide rich detail. White finish provide a crisp sci-fi feel. Elaborate. Challenging toy that helps build interest in STEM. Fully functioning remote control. Teaches kids to code. Cons. Might be too intricate for some children. Expensive. Important feature. It is important to note that the EV3 robot model features 5 primary build options, which are the ones listed above. However, it has instructions on how to build 17 different models. Furthermore, each additional model comes with its own unique functions and capabilities. These additional models are important and represent just how thought out this toy is. For instance, each new build option piques a child's interest. However, because later build options still use previous programming techniques for various behaviors, the toy helps the child to overlearn the technology. Overlearning is a common technique for subject matter mastery, and it is what makes this toy one of the best STEM toys on the market. Coming in number 3. LEGO NINJAGO Firestone Mech 71720 Building Kit. Features. Few LEGO toys are as intricate as the NINJAGO 71720 Firestone Mechanical. The kit includes 5 LEGO figurines, as well as all the pieces to build the massive Firestone Mechanical. You can fit 2 of the minifigures inside the cockpit of the Firestone Mech, and you can fire studs from the robot's shooters. The legs and arms of the Firestone Mech are highly posable, making it great for imaginative play once the fun of building it is achieved. The shooters are spring-loaded, and there is storage space for weapons under the shoulders of the giant mech. This is a large 968-piece kit and is aimed at kids of 9 years and up. Pros. Lots of intricate, moving parts. Highly posable. Weapon actually shoots. Cons. Spring-loaded shooter could be more powerful. Coming in number 2. LEGO Ideas Voltron 21311 Building Kit. Features. As would be expected of the defender of the universe, Voltron is a towering, multicolored extravaganza. Each arm or leg is a different color, and his chest is emblazoned with a grey iron crest. His wings extend upward at 45-degree angles over his head, and he is protected by thick LEGO brick armor. One of the best features is that his build allows for up to 5 different poses. With multi-builds, children can engage in private play storytelling as Voltron adopts different poses for different battle scenarios. Unlike many other robot sets, the Voltron set is for fairly advanced LEGO builders. For instance, the set contains 2,312 pieces. Yes, you read that right, this set has over 2,000 pieces. So many pieces allow for the creation of additional figures, such as up to 5 different power lions. At over 15 inches in height, Voltron is the largest LEGO figure ever made available. Pros. Additional accessories available, allowing the construction of Voltron Super Robot. Multiple build scenarios with a variety of specialized pieces. Multiple poses. Highly detailed. Cons. Expensive. Coming in number 1. LEGO Creator Future Flyers. Features. The Future Flyers is a Transformer-style robot that allows children to build the signature white robot with orange wings. However, with a few adjustments, the pieces can be fit to form a science fiction sports car or a futuristic jet with reverse, forward-facing wings. Other features include a rotatable robot head, and the clear plastic windshield doubles as the robot's eye. Pros. 3-in-1 design. Wheels move. Rotating head. Tall 6-inch robot. Wings are futuristic. Cons. Race car is only 1 inch in height. Note, as this kit contains a metal ball, it is listed as a choking hazard. It is not for children younger than 3 years of age.